The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a snow squall warning for northeastern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, Rensselaer County in east-central New York, southern Bennington County in southern Vermont, southwestern Windham County in southern Vermont, until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:14 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located over Berlin, or 12 miles south of Hoosick Falls, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes Interstate 90 near Exit 10. Locations impacted include Bennington, East Greenbush, North Adams, Hoosick Falls, Nassau, Adams, Williamstown, Pownell, Cheshire, Stephentown, Grafton, Berlin, Wilmington, Stamford, Reedsboro, Florida, Hancock, Savoy, New Ashford, and West Hen Lake. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Synopsis: low pressure tracking across northern New England will